Hi trader, welcome back to the market traps. Let's break out how the market performed today. Today's date is 25 May 2026. Okay, before we make any trade, we have to mark the important levels, right? So here I'll mark the important levels. So if you open the Nifty chart, I'll open the Nifty chart. I'll switch to 15-minute chart, and if you look at here, so this is the prominent swing. So this is the level I have marked. So that is 23,997. Okay. And today I was bullish. Why? Because from if you look at the previous charts, previous few days, it is taking resistance from this level, right? So it was taking this level, and it it is accumulating, or you can say distribution. Okay. Because of that, it may goes up. So for that, it confirmed by gap up. Yeah, today's market it was very high gap up, and it shows it is going to be a bullish. And one more confirmation, the second confirmation is nothing but it is taking resistance from this level. Okay, then we'll switch back to 5-minute chart. Okay, the first two three candles are green, and what we can say, we can directly go with the Fibonacci tool. You can mark the day low and high, and you can mark the golden zone, that is nothing but 0.618 to 0.786. And to make an entry, you have to look at the strike strike price chart as well. So if you look at my trade today, so I traded with the call at 23,900, 23,850 call. Okay, I'll open 23,850 call. So here it is. This is 5-minute chart, and for the entry, what I have taken, see, you can see it here, this mark. This indicates that I have taken the trade. Okay. So I'll draw the Fibonacci tool here. So this is the golden zone, right? 0.618 and 0.786. So this is the place where, with the confirmation of a hammer candle, I have entered here, and I placed the target as 35, and stop loss was 50. What was happened? It went all the way up, like it gave like 28 points, but then reversed. So for that reason, I took cost to cost at here. I exited here, okay, with the cost to cost. So no loss today. And there are two setups for bullish always. Okay, I will show it here. See, for there are two setups. The first one is, if it is a big movement, the first movement is a very big movement, then if it is consolidated like this, then there is a chance of up movement like this. See, this level should be always, this level should be 0.382. Okay, this level should be 0.382. This is first setup. The second setup is, if it is not a big moment, but it's a normal moment, then it is like this. This is the 0.618 or 0.786, it's a 0.786 level, that is called as golden zone. Okay, then you can expect from here it goes up. These are the two setups we have to follow. So I have followed the second setup here. But if you look at here, say from here, this is the first setup, right? It went up like this. I will I will confirm you by putting the Fibonacci tool. Let me draw the Fibonacci tool here. See, exactly at 0.382 it, it reversed, right? But to enter you have to have confirmation, right? The first confirmation is this is the fake out of first candle. How it is fake out? So let's switch to 15-minute candle. See, if you in the 15-minute candle, this is a hammer candle, this is a liquidity sweep, nothing but liquidity sweep. But to enter you have to again take the Fibonacci tool and you have to mark it here. So and at 0.618 level you can enter. I'll switch back to 5 minutes. See, and another confirmation, you have to always look at the spot price as well. So in the spot price, see, if you in the 15 chart, this is the liquidity sweep that is created. If you put the Fibonacci from here to here, that is at the golden zone 0.786. 0.786, 0.618, you got the hammer candle, that is the liquidity sweep. So that's the confirmation. Again, you could have entered at here in the 5-minute chart. See, this is at 0.618 level. If you got the green candle, this is the at 220. 220 is the entry point. So if you look at here 220, this is the entry candle. I'll put the long position. I'll show you how much target is given. Our target is nothing but 35, 30 to 35. It has given, it gave more than 60 points, right? And it never showed the loss here. But our normal stop loss would be 15 points. I took the risk here. I entered here and it gave a cost to cost for me, but I didn't enter here anyway. But this is the strategy, okay? And if you look at the Nifty spot price, if you put Fibonacci from here to here, it didn't come to 0.38, no, so that's why I didn't take the position today. But if you look at the spot price, it gave already, it gave the entry. So that is the thing today. So as I told you, there are two setups for the bullish. Nothing, I'll show it again. Okay, for if it is a big moment, then it has to consolidate here and then movement, otherwise it has to come like this. Okay, this is for bullish, and for bearish, like this, consolidation then down, otherwise it comes like this. These are the four setups you have to follow in order to the first two are for bullish, the second two are for bearish. These are the setups you can follow. I hope you got the strategy and how the market performed today, and keep learning and keep support me. Please subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends and who are interested in this trading journey. Okay, I hope you got the strategy. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.